Hello my friends and subscribers. My name is Alexander Stepanov. I know you was waiting for this tutorial because I promised you to publish new videos every day with our work. You know guys, sometimes it's not easy because when you come back home you're very tired after the long day of nail studio work, and I have to make video over voicing, but I have great aim to help you with your work, show you our new innovations, techniques. So I think that this is great idea to present you new videos every day. And of course today we'll make something special with amazing color. And as you can see, my brother Andrew is working with the barrel drill bit, and he's removing now the old gel. Not all gel from the nail plate, the nail design. As you can see, nails are extremely grown, and a lot of clients prefer come back to infill their nails not so often, but we're trying to speak with them and tell that it's not good to when nails stay on more than 1 month. The flame drill bit is also help us to remove the dead skin from the nail plate. I have the classic type of flame drill bit, and also I have the Russian style manicure set in my store. You can see them in stock. And what the differences between these bits? You know, Russian style manicure bits allow you to clean the skin very deep under the nail plate, also work with proximal pads. And if you watch my previous tutorials when my friend Irene is working with such bits, you will see the difference. And I think that these bits are available, are necessary for working with when you are covering nails using gel polish or work with short nails. So, but if you want to start your career and if you want to work quickly with nails, it's better to start with classic flame drill bit. And you also noticed that we changed the technique when we are covering nails, not with the sculpting mix gel. These are special gels. I will tell you about them very soon. And these gels are a little bit liquid, and you can use them to apply very fast infill of gel nails. We achieve this gel mixing two types of gel, the sculpting mix gel and the thick base gel. Soon I will make the video how to do it, but I think that if you are the professional, you can do it easily by yourself. Just add small drop of sculpting mix gel to the thick base gel. It's necessary for avoiding heating the nail plate, and also has the camouflage effect. And I think this technique will be helpful for you and useful for you. So as you can see, my brother Andrew has covered all nails, and it's easy to finish this work using the control bit and the file. He don't have to work hard after covering these nails because they are already neat and perfectly sculpted without flawed areas. But anyway, he prefers to shape them again because he is the perfectionist in this deal. I mean, in shape of nails, and he's trying to bring everything to an end. But some nail technicians prefer not to shape them after sculpting nails with such amazing gel because they are already look perfectly, look good. And some nail technicians also never remove the gel from underneath the nail plate. They leave the natural nail. So this is their decision. They can do things according they got education in their nail school, or according their license, or I don't know how to explain in English. Let's talk about another problem. Some nail technicians keep on they have problems with floated gel in the cuticles area, and they ask me how can I apply this coat very easy and quickly no matter what type of cuticles we have. The matter is that when we're using the control bit, we can easily prepare this area for applying gel polish or gel paint very close. This way we open the cuticles. This way we remove floated gel and clean proximal areas. Okay guys, I think this color is unusual, and maybe this nail design is suitable for the Christmas or the New Year, because we have dark yellow color, something like the Christmas tree color, and sparkling glitter of holographic color. As you can see, he's trying to make nails not similar like each other, and he's using different types of gel paint. This one is regular gel paint of silver color. You can use any type of gel paint you have. It's needed two coats of this gel paint to cover the nail plate. And as you can see, he's placing rhinestones again, like in previous videos. You asked me about why he's covering the whole surface of rhinestones with the top coat. You know, the matter is that he applies it not always, only when client asks him to do it, because some of them have problems when rhinestones are lifting down, throwing down, and they ask him to cover them with top gel. Because I told you already, guys, that I'm showing these videos not I made this video not for the channel. This is the real work with the real clients, and if they ask him to draw, for example, the moon, he will be drawing the moon. Any wishes of clients we do, and you can see it every day. So we just take the video of one of the best works of my brother and publish these videos on the channel. So as you can see, he mixed some glitter, combined together different types of rhinestones, and now he will be covering nails with the thick top coat gel, which is also available in my store. This video seems very long, not 10 minutes as usual. My wife helped me to do this video. I mean montage, or how it's in English, when you mix together particles of video records. Okay, so as you can see, he's trying to cover this nail, and he's trying to leave some rhinestones without the top coat on the top of them, to leave their sparkling. I hope you understand me. And it's necessary to make your nail look perfectly without spoiling this effect of sparkling glitter. Thanks guys for your comments. We're also following your advices, your feedbacks. Thanks, guys, and you helped us a lot. I always how to explain that, appreciate your help, and you helped us a lot to improve this channel, and I never delete your comments, because they are very important for us. So take a look on the result. These nails look amazing, beautiful. What do you think about this nail design? And is it suitable for the new year? What do you think? And please click like, subscribe to our channel, and see you tomorrow. Bye!